Hi and hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kieran J and I'm a webmaster and I have been in this field for well over 20 years. Now I'm going to be sharing a lot of inside information. Now that my disclaimers have all expired, now we're going to be sharing a lot of really important information which is going to help you guys to grow on the platforms of eBay, Amazon. But for today we're going to be selecting eBay and we're going to go into the nitty-gritty straight away without wasting any time. Okay, so there's a lot of sellers out there want to know how to perform well on eBay, and the whole point of selling on eBay is to get to the top of the algorithm, right here at the top. If we type in heaters, we get sponsored listings at the first three. Yes, we want to skip those, and my goal is to give you organic search within the algorithm from here onwards. Now, all these sellers here at the top have very good account health. With the new eBay updates here today on, well, it's mid-November 2022, and the updates are now selecting healthier accounts to go to the top of the impressions, pre-selected impressions that buyers who are searching for products which you're selling. So where do we start from? We start from right here. It's not easy. I will put this out there. It's not easy. I used to work with a lot of sellers, and today, November 2022, a lot of sellers out there are not really making enough profit. Why is that? Because they're using a promote and sponsor button, or they're selling items far too cheap and not understanding the minimum 25 to 33% price range, profit price range. Before I even get into that, this is where you need to be looking, sellers. On your seller dashboard, you have to first of all understand what the eBay's algorithm is searching for before it gives your listing impressions in the search for people searching for your product. And this is how easy it is. It's very easy. I've been servicing this for nearly 15 plus years on eBay and in the webmaster field for 20 years. So you may understand the English language I'm about to speak. You will need to understand this first of all. Account health. The lower the better. Transaction defect rate. The algorithm looks for this and compares you against your competition. How healthy your account is. The lower the better. Transactions you cancel for items not being out of stock. You need to have this as low as possible. Cases closed without seller resolution. Point number 2, you need to have this as low as possible. This percentage needs to be as low as possible because you're going to be compared against other people who are selling the same product. To beat the competition, you need to get these numbers down, and you can download a full report on what you're doing wrong. Late delivery defect rate. This is tier number 3. This needs to be as low as possible. So the algorithm of eBay is comparing 1,000 listings of selling the same product. The lower this number is, the higher chance you get to go right to the top and get best impressions. Yes, you got the other option of selecting promote. You can use that, give away 10, 15, 20%. This way is going to give you organic, free visibility. Cases closed without seller resolution. The lower the better. This is very important. You only get 0.30% and it instantly jumps to below standard. Transactions and sales. This, the higher the better for you. The more sales you have, more sales you accumulated per listing will also give you a boost in visibility. That's tier number 5. The next one is negative feedback and reviews. It's very important to receive less negative feedback. Your account is reflective from the experience that you're giving to your shoppers. The algorithm is selecting you specifically because you have a low score here. Right, so does that make sense? So before you even list a product, it's very important to understand this. This does take time to become a top-rated seller. People can achieve it within 1 month or 2 months. In the past, I've achieved this for people within a month by selling a product cheap. It's like advertising, but you sell at cost to achieve that. I will also explain that over the next few videos, but first of all, get these defects down, and I will also show you how to get the defects removed to get a healthy account. All coming in the next few videos, but very important, my friends, is to understand your seller dashboard. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to sharing more spicy and juicy information. Thank you.